Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll help you diagnose a problem that could occur on any car, but specifically we'll demonstrate here on Ford Fiesta. If you do not get spark on any of the ignition coils, any of the spark plugs, most likely it's not ignition coil, because they'll go bad one at a time, maybe two if you're super unlucky. But the thing that could happen is the car will not be able to start. Is you either have a bad crankshaft position sensor or bad ignition coil fuse. And let me go ahead actually and demonstrate how this one will try to turn over, but we will not start. Okay, right there. Let's go ahead. Okay, it doesn't start, alright. So what we'll need to do guys, we'll need to open the hood now. Okay, support it of course. And the fuse box, okay, one of the fuse boxes is located, okay, right here by the battery. So we need to squish on both sides towards each other. Okay, and gently pull it out. You have some hoses here on the side, careful not to damage them. I think this is for the windshield washers. Okay, and that's how you remove the lid. Once you open the engine compartment fuse box, okay, right here, you will need to find a fuse, okay, 22. On the back side you'll be able to see 22 right here. It's a 20 amp fuse. Okay, so we're going to replace our fuse quick, okay, with a new one. Okay, let's install the new one now, and I'll show you how that vehicle, okay, 1 second, is going to fire right up. Okay, let's give it a try now. Okay, with absolutely no problem. So if your Fiesta doesn't start, check that fuse too, check fuel pump fuse. We'll have those videos as well. Other things could be another fuse for the powertrain. We'll have the video, check it out guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.